This is a very special cutout. I'm going to start by taking these leaf-shaped pieces and painting them in Joshua tree. I have Mary and Joseph here. I'm going to paint in black. I have the manger. I'm going to paint the head and the body in snow owl. The hay I'm going to paint in goldenrod, and I'm just using foam dabbers from the Dollar Tree. The bottom portion of the manger I'm going to paint in our chocolate. I'm going to paint the star in goldenrod, and the stem from the star I'm going to paint in snow owl along with this bow and the word holy night. Holy is layered in two, so the bottom layer I'm going to leave blank, and then the top layer I'm going to paint in the snow owl. I got this board on clearance at Michael's, and it's 4 feet by 9 inches. You can get this also at Lowe's, and I'm going to paint in sapphire. And while the paint is still wet, I'm going to bring in some black, using a spritz of water to blend this all together. This is optional. I did take some chocolate and go around the edges of all my pieces just to bring some character and dimension. And the hay, I did go back in with a little bit of goldenrod and then a little bit of chocolate and kind of blended that together. So my board is now dry. If you want a little bit of a wider board, probably a 10-inch, you could fit them evenly at the bottom. But because mine's a little narrower, I had to put Joseph just a little bit higher and Mary a little to the base. So Mary's all the way to the bottom and Joseph is just a little higher so their hands don't clash with one another. And I glued these down with some stick fast. Then I'm going to add the manger all the way to the bottom. And you're going to add the body and the hay. The stick fast, you do not need a lot of glue. This is a very durable glue. And then I'm going to glue down the manger permanently. I'm going to put this one spray of the greenery at the base, right smack in the center. And then I'm going to put these sprays at the top. They do hang over just a tad, which I do think gives a nice look. So at Chalk It Up Fancy, just the pieces are available in this kit. You are going to have to purchase your own board. You can get these boards at Hobby Lobby on clearance, usually for about $8. And then I'm going to go in with the word Holy Night. And I'm going to layer the word holy. I'm going to use some painter's tape to guide me so that my word is straight. And then I'm going to fill in the letter I and the letter T. Then I'm going to add my star. Trying to get that in the center of my board. I'm going to put the halo on Christ, on his head, and then I'm going to add the bow on the star. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This is a great porch leaner. This tutorial comes with your kit. You can get some of these colors in our 2-ounce paints, but you can also use paint of your choice. ChalkItUpFancy.com.